Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable filter video keywords on TikTok. Before seeing this, open up a TikTok app, tap on the profile icon at the bottom, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down to content preference, tap on it, then we have filter video keywords, tap on it. Now you can add the keyword. When you filter a keyword, you won't see videos in your selected filter contain that word in the video description or stickers. So add keyword. So I can enter a keyword and I can choose for myself, filter from, I can select all, filter from me and my friends. So I can just select from my friends. Let's say I select from all. And then I click on save. I can add another keyword. And I can choose the style of the filter just for my friends. So I click on save. And that is how to access filter video keywords on TikTok.